I have video of that.
I know, but you're not going to use it. Hey, hey everybody, my wife's a goofball, and I'm planting our little twig Paw Paw trees in the woods here. They don't have. Hopefully these do all right. You know, this is my first experience with them. I have a line on some like 5-foot tall Paw Paw trees that you can buy, but they're a lot more expensive. So we're gonna see what we can do with these. Hopefully they make it. We'll know here pretty soon if they start greening out. I'm hopeful. I tried to pick a spot in the woods where we can kind of protect them a little bit from all the dang poplar trees around here, because every time it storms, poplar trees fall over. It's terrible. I way overdug the hole so that the soil's nice and loose around it, so it can easily spread out some roots. Remulch the soil with some leaves. And what I did, I took some leftover fence I had. Like if I take down a fence, I always roll it back up and save it because I know I can reuse it. I'm gonna take this, put that around the tree. And I have landscape staples that we use for the fabric. I have some left over. We'll put 4 of those in. This will do 2 things. It'll mark the tree so I can find them easy to see how they're doing, if they're alive. And it will also protect them from getting eaten by raccoons and everything like that. You know, if a raccoon wants to get in there, obviously it'll climb over the top and get in there, but this gives them some semblance of protection. And you know, my tree stand's right over there, so it'd be a shame to have fruit trees right by my tree stand. That's just terrible, isn't it? I've never dealt with Paw Paw trees, so I don't know what the starts are supposed to look like. Some of the roots don't look too healthy on these, which kind of irritates me a little bit, but we'll find out. That one looks like it's showing a little bit of life on the stem, so hopefully, because some things aren't alive yet, like if the, you know what I mean, like they're not starting to green out yet, so hopefully these will work. We also have some Allegheny service berries to plant, and we also have a pussy willow to plant. lot of rocks right here. All right, here's 10 turtles. Yeah, I went ahead and I got them all planted in. We're hopeful that they make it. If not, I'm gonna have to buy bigger ones to start off with, because I wasn't happy with the roots that were on these. And actually, if I would have seen it before, I would have probably took it back and complained, but we'll put them in the ground and see what happens. But got them all caged up, pinned down, and then behind court, we planted some Allegheny service berries. You see I marked them just with the green ribbon on them so that I can tell where they are. They like the shade, and they like, they don't tolerate any kind of dry soil, so.
Well, they're gonna love it back here because it's nothing but mud.
It always stays, even when it's really dry out, it stays pretty damp back here. So there's that. We just have to plant the pussy willow. We're gonna plant it up by the fence up here. It needs full sun. And
let's get out of here before we die.
Get the hell out of here. The wind's starting to blow and there's a lot of trees.